this candle isn't even a high though, because I can't tell if this candle was an up candle or a down candle. It's literally just nothing. It has no sides to it. So just waiting and seeing. And also on our 15, we are respecting this 15-minute gap. We haven't closed out of it yet, but in 6 minutes, we'll see what's up. Again, breaker structure, and then we could hit equilibrium, which would be a 1 minute break down, come down here, 1 minute break back up, or inverse back up, target highs. But as of right now, we're just waiting patiently, 40 seconds. Seconds. Let's see. Hopefully we could break structure on this candle and play out perfectly for me. Let's see. Even though ES is, I feel like it's the more bullish index because it took out Asia highs. I want to take this trade on NASDAQ because we have a break structure on the 5 minute, while ES doesn't have any 5 minute high to break structure on. So now I'm waiting for a revisit. It could be an inverse or value gap on the 1 minute, or a breaker structure on the 1 minute. And that revisit would be us coming down to equilibrium. And then after our revisit, I want a continuation. And yeah. Hopefully market doesn't just go all the way up to my target. Hopefully we do get a revisit. As of right now, it's not looking like it though. Nasdaq really wants these highs, I guess. Just put that up there for right now. Oh, we do have this gap right here. No fair value gap on Nasdaq though, so we would need a breaker structure. That's alright. We are forming a 5 minute fair value gap, which I hope we don't maintain, because that means this candle is not going to give us our revisit that we need in order to enter. And that's alright if we don't get it, you know? I'm not forcing a trade, just letting the market come to me. 2 minutes. As of right now, we would be respecting this fair value gap, which is huge. I still do really want a revisit though, before we just shoot all the way up. I hope we don't just go up without a revisit. That would suck. No fair value gap still, besides this one. Which is the only one that matters. But I'm just gonna leave it up here. so I don't have to keep adjusting it. We could make a higher low right here and then break this low. That'd be nice, instead of having to come all the way down. But again, market's gonna come to me, so just waiting. I was just throwing ideas out, letting you guys kind of be on the same thought process as me. See what I'm thinking, stuff like that. Damn, getting closer and closer. Well, we made a higher low, so that's good. We don't have a higher low on ES, but we do on NASDAQ. I just hope we can align and have our indexes on the same, like, you know, on the same trend. Seconds for breaker structure. ES is maintaining right now though. I don't like that. Didn't break, we wicked off. I mean, that could potentially be like liquidity sweep. I don't know. If that's really the liquidity sweep, then yeah, I want to see a breaker structure. And then I'll just enter to previous day's high, I guess. Previous day high. Look how close we are to London though, Joe. Taking out all my targets right now, man. Broke structure, broke structure. Go down. Damn, we worked it. Should I just enter now? Frick it. I was waiting for the down candle, and now we have the down candle. Nice. Brother. I was just waiting for a better entry. See if we get previous day highs. I don't want to see a bearish SMT though, for sure. Do not want to see that. Check out these. See what ES is doing. Come on. We're about to take out London. Nice. Nice. London high, and we just took out Asia high. Daily high is so close, come on. It's not good RR. Just gonna leave it. Let's see what happens. Came down. We didn't make a black candle though. I don't want an SMT. Made a high right here. Let's see. Not looking too good. Still have this gap if we inverse this one. Yeah, I should have just targeted thingy though. Asia high. I usually never target previous day, but we were just so close, so I was like, alright, I might as well just target that, the previous day high. So, I mean, we're already in it, so let's see what happens. No bearish SMT though, thankfully. We didn't inverse that gap. Maybe we're just trying to whip through it. Yeah, like this is an hourly high, but this, I mean, okay, it's a 4-hour high, I guess. Yeah, but we're not reacting too well off grabbing these highs, so I should have just did it on thingy, Asia high. Maybe we're just trying to get a revisit. Not looking good though. I could potentially get stopped out right here. Yeah, we inverse these gaps. Not good for me. But that's just liquidity. They're showing that orders were filled off of that. But I'm hoping we can maintain bullish and grab these daily highs. So us inversing these gaps is showing that orders were filled up here because that's where liquidity is on these highs. But I'm hoping that we can, is this gap? Yeah, I'm hoping we can inverse that gap right here. Like on this candle, I'm not gonna lie, or the next one at least, and continue higher. ES, no gap on ES, but didn't break structure. Inverse that gap though. Come on, Nasdaq and ES, got this. So the plan is inverse this gap, and hopefully we will continue higher instead of actually flipping bearish, because our hourly is bearish and our 4 hours bearish. We didn't break structure yet, but we're about to have a new candle. Didn't break structure yet. turn this thing around. Let's see. 136 ticks. 680 is how much I'm risking. You got this, NASDAQ. You got this. Let's start going up. I believe in you. These are the moments where it's like, usually I would start feeling like nervous or something, but I'm just letting it play out. And if I do lose a trade, now I know to just continue with what I do, which is target the session highs. I don't usually target the previous day highs, so. But you live and you learn, so let's just see what happens. And just because I'm like not as nervous as I usually would be, doesn't mean I don't care. Because trust me, I definitely do care. I don't want to lose this trade, but I mean, if I lose now, I know. Next time, just continue at what I do. Damn it, equilibrium's all the way down here. If that's what we're trying to hit. Like this 15-minute high. I'm really hoping that we could, turn this thing around, like inverse this gap right now, because if not, then I'm just gonna get taken out of my trade, which I hope doesn't happen, but let's see. Inverse this gap, please. It's so close. I really wanted the inverse. Got taken out. Well, guys, down on the day. That's unfortunate. But, I mean, if only I stuck to what I usually do. But it's alright. I just didn't really like this risk to reward, but next time I'm just taking it. Let's see, how much would I made? 103. $515. I mean, making $515 is way better than losing $680. So I mean, excuse me. The issue is I don't think we are bearish though. We're still bullish, but orders were filled, so equilibrium. Didn't touch equilibrium on ES yet though. Let's see what happens. If we inverse this, I'll potentially take longs up to this high right here. This would be my exact trade. Damn, that's like trying to inverse it. Yeah. Oh, I mean, sheesh. It sucks to lose, but at least I had the right thought process on everything, like where market was gonna go, all my confluences and like yeah, all my confluences and rules were proven correct. So I acted on them. I just put my target too high. Do the inverses? Yeah, I think we inversed it. We made like equal. Can't even tell. Well, I think that'll be it for today then. And I don't really want to force anything. think it's because I lost 4 times on these 2 days, so that's an extra. Maybe we wanted to fill this gap right here. Hold on, 15-minute equilibrium, guys. Might long it, might long it. Yeah, equilibrium isn't even a thing on Nasdaq right now. Yeah, we're disrespecting it way too much, and I just kicked my steering wheel. ES is respecting, but Nasdaq already inversed its 5-minute gap, so it's kind of cooked. Unless we inverse this gap right here, but I don't know. We gotta break down. We could potentially break up right now and maybe hit longs again. I don't know. I might be risking for the biscuit, guys. Just I could be up a little bit, or at least take away some of the loss. I don't know if that's smart though. I might just be talking just because I don't want to be down so much. I don't know. Should I just get off the charts? I think I'm. It's only 10:06 though. Like that's what I'm thinking about right now. It's not late. I don't want to force anything, but I did already lose on the day. I don't want to be like a revenge trader. So I just want to keep my composure. I'm like, yeah, I don't want to force anything. We inverse this 5-minute. So Nasdaq is looking bearish while ES is maintaining bullish. I mean, we inversed the only fair value gap we had, but that's all the way up here. Like, we're somewhat respecting equilibrium. Like right now, we're going past it, but like we were all the way down here, and it decided to come all the way up and not close past equilibrium, which is pretty crazy. Damn, guys, I really should have just targeted Asia high and not been greedy about it. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it greed. I wanted the bigger take profit. I wanted more. So, don't fall into greed, guys. It's not worth it. Get greedy and then you lose. I'm a prime example as of right now. This doesn't look too bad. 350 stop loss. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we could break structure to the upside. We just broke down actually. Damn. Not on ES, but on Nasdaq. I mean, we already had a huge break of structure down. Like we was already going down. See what happens. We could possibly target those daily highs now. Let's see. See if we break structure. If we break structure, I want to take longs. This is the end of that 5-minute fair value gap. 5-minute closes in 20 seconds. Do we break structure? Let's see. Nope. Yep, we broke structure on NASDAQ. Doing that inverse, it's huge for value gap, bruh. What the hell, NASDAQ? Giving me mixed signals. What is this little retrace? Like NASDAQ, you just get way more. Like you get more money, but the stop losses are also way bigger as well. Because there's just more ticks. We have yet to break structure on ES. We respect that fair value gap. I think we close even with this fair value gap. 10, yeah. We even, like we completely filled this fair value gap. And NASDAQ's the one that broke structure up, bro. The hell? ES hasn't broke down or up again. It already broke down over here, but NASDAQ broke structure right here to the downside and broke to the upside. Blew out of it. Inverse this gap. NASDAQ doesn't know what it wants, bruh. We break down, then we break up. Now we're inversing fair value gap to the downside. I mean, damn, man. NASDAQ's all over the place. It's not looking clean chart. It's not looking like clean chart work, so I don't think I want to be part of it or take any part in this choppy chart work. Up and down. Just choose a direction, man. ES doesn't want to inverse this gap. NASDAQ already did, and it's just kind of continuing lower. After breaking structure up too, which is, I feel like, the most annoying part. Maybe you just wanted, I don't know, manipulation, and eventually inverse this gap and actually continue higher. I'm not too sure. We did break structure on the 15-minute actually. On NASDAQ we broke structure up. ES we don't have a high right here. This is our high, but this is our high right here on NASDAQ. Nasdaq's moving down so much. I think it might be because all this liquidity that we took out from Asia session. I promise I'm not targeting daily highs ever again. Like, come on, man. And the issue is that ES is like genuinely maintaining bullish market structure, while Nasdaq is really maintaining bearish. They're just complete opposite, which is like, bro, what? Most recent high is all the way up here. Got this fair value gap to inverse. Let's see, maybe we'll start going up now. Alright, chill, bro. Market either never wants to go with me or... No. Market either never wants to move or it just goes completely without me. Broke structure. We're in this fair value gap. I don't want to rush anything, but it's like, okay, nice. Feel me? We're finally gonna be moving up, so I kind of want to get in. I hope waiting for waiting for Nasdaq doesn't mess me up. Makes me lose my opportunity. No, it's 27. Down to these lows. How much is that? 27. Alright. See? Nasdaq has yet to inverse this gap. Like, this is good for ES, for my entry, but not good for confirmation that we are continuing higher. I need this gap to get inversed. Show that we're going up. Show that we're going up without making me have a huge stop loss. Do we break down? No, we didn't break structure to the downside. So that's good. After breaking structure to the upside on the 15. I'm really hoping like I could get a decent entry. I don't want a huge stop loss. That would suck. Alright guys, I'm gonna go long here. Boom. I'm in longs. TP. Honestly, I might just put at... I don't know if I want to put at this 5-minute high. Or previous London highs. If this was a liquidity sweep, I'm actually going to be pretty annoyed. And we just go right to my stop loss. That would suck. I mean, it's kind of what it's looking like, unfortunately, to say. Yep, we just broke structure back down, so market is gonna literally start dumping and just take me out of this trade, which sucks. Potentially, maybe it's just reacting off of the liquidity that it just took from that 5-minute high, but either way, bruh is my only reaction right now. Unfortunate. Genuinely unfortunate for your boy. But I'm not stressing it. Whatever happens, happens, I guess, guys. I thought, maybe we were finally getting our big move up. We broke structure down. Boom, now we inverse this gap. So that's a change in our order flow. But we aren't continuing that change. We're kind of just changing and then changing and then changing, which sucks. I really want to see this gap get inversed. It'll make me feel a lot better. Because we're inversing and then we're breaking structure in the opposite direction. Why? Why is market manipulating so much? Like, damn, just choose one and stick to it, please. Yeah, 5-minute did not break structure, which is not cool. That would have been very nice. Got a 5-minute break structure, add that onto the confluences, and back up that this trade is not a bad trade. But let's just see. We bricked our gap. Come on. Nice. We inversed that. Haven't inversed it yet on NASDAQ, but I do love the fact that we just closed right through it. That makes me feel a lot better. NASDAQ is still being difficult. So, I don't know. Market could really go either way right now, which is crazy. And TP is literally like less than stop loss right now. My stop loss is 27.6 or 28, and TP's 26. So it's like 3 something, I believe, on TP. Stop loss is 3 something as well. So let's see, guys. NASDAQ still didn't inverse the gap yet. Like, we have 15-minute breaker structure. Maybe we're just acting like this because of the liquidity that we took out. So the market just wants to continue to manipulate, which sucks and is unfortunate, but I wouldn't be in this situation if I didn't put my TP so high up. So at the end of the day, it's my fault. I put myself in this situation. Let's see if I could get myself out. Or well, let's see if I could lessen the loss, or if it's just gonna get added on to. Because NASDAQ is looking pretty difficult. And ES, come on. Come on. Maintain bullish structure, please, and thank you. A minute 50. Maybe we could break structure. NASDAQ is just playing at the bottom of this fair value gap. I really hope that we could inverse it right now. And we're playing at the top of this fair value gap, when what we need to be doing is continuing higher. We got to get out of here. We got to get out of this range. 3, 2, 1. Inverse the gap. Nice, lovely. Nice, broke structure. Come on. Let's get this. 45 seconds left to break structure. I really hope we break structure. Smack my TP. Nasdaq is still all the way down here, but it could very much break structure still. It could just shoot up past these highs, break structure to the upside, and continue higher. 18, 17, 16. Come on, please. 10 seconds. Come on, Nasdaq, you can do it. 4, 3, 2. Didn't break structure on Nasdaq, but we did on ES. Let's see if we can maintain this bullishness, though, please. I don't want a 5-minute SMT. Just come on. That'll be difficult. Now should I target previous day high? Should I move my TP? Don't want to see that. Come on, yes, you've been bullish this whole time. Let's continue bullish, especially after breaking structure. Come on. Don't let Nasdaq drag you down. Let's continue up. Let's go higher and higher. Just gotta let market do its thing, I guess. 20 seconds. But yeah, this candle's literally just staying still. I mean, as long as it's inverse and all this, I'm okay with it. And then we continue higher after inversing it and smack TP. I wouldn't have a problem at all. Inversed. We respected this gap. I love to see that. And yeah, we respected it on ES. Come on. Let's get up there. Yeah, we're in a new 15-minute. Come on. This could be it right here. We just wicked past our previous high, though, our 5-minute high. I don't want that to be liquidity, and oh my gosh, bro. Inverse the gap now. Like, let's keep going. We're so close. Come on. This is not liquidity that we want to reverse with. We just want to take those orders out and keep going up. Keep going up. Nice, we're so close. Nice. Let's go. W. Sorry about that. Let's go. W. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. God is great, guys. I don't know how people say otherwise, but God is literally great. Look how much we came down after tapping TP too, bro. Oh my. Oh shit. Let's go. W's in the shots, guys. W in the shot. Thank you, Jesus. You know? Gotta say thank you. No, but now we're gonna take out daily highs. I should just enter right now. Target daily high. You know? Get my full TP. I'm pretty sure we are gonna hit full TP. When we were down here and we respected this gap, and then inverse this gap up here, I was like, damn, I kind of want to enter again and have this trade, and then I would have had this trade right here. No, where is it? Right here. There's the inverse in the gap. Target daily high. Put my stop loss right there. But I don't want to be greedy. I was already greedy targeting daily highs instead of Asia high, but it's whatever. I'm gonna take this small W, erase some of the loss away, and yeah, call it a day. Not gonna be greedy. So let's see what the day's looking like now. It's gonna erase 600, so I'll be down like 1 something on the week, I believe. I think that was like 3 something. I'm not sure. I wasn't really paying attention. I was just watching it. I wasn't too focused on the number. I'm just more focused on what the chart's actually doing. Yeah, 100. Nice. 256 and like see, it doesn't stop perfectly. This is 300, but this is 250. Like, come on. Sorry. Yeah, like how does this exit before? Yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know. There's just a 1 second difference. Look at that. 1 second difference. This is what it was supposed to be, but then I guess market had went down, but then 1 second and made me lose $70. But I mean, it's alright. So now I'm down 160, 160 and 86 on the week, and we still have tomorrow, and then we have 4 more days left of the month. So let's see what I can do. Let's see what I can do. Thank you for watching. God bless you. God is great. Always don't forget it. And yeah, no matter how hard or how difficult your life or your day may seem, there's always something to be grateful for. So just be grateful. And if you don't know what to be grateful for, just be grateful that you woke up this morning. You know, be grateful for your family, wherever you're staying. You know, your situation can always be worse. So just thank God for what you have, and don't forget to just be grateful about it. You know, gratitude goes a long way. And yeah, thank you for watching again. God is great.